Introduction of birds that can fly. Hello children, good morning everyone. So children, do you know today we are going to learn about the birds which can fly. Have you ever wondered how do birds fly? Birds use their wings which has feathers and strong muscles. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the birds that can fly and which all birds can fly. Okay, let's get started. Children, look at this picture. In this picture, a bird is flying with the help of her wings. Yes. Now let us see the body parts of bird. This is a body part of a bird. In this picture, a bird has one head, two eyes, one beak, one tail, two legs and wings with feather and strong muscle. So let us see which all birds can fly. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird which can be seen around us. So children, this is a sparrow. This is an eagle. An eagle can fly very high and it is known for its powerful eyesight. So this is an eagle. Children, can you tell the name of this bird? Yes, it's a green parrot. Parrot is a pet bird. The body of parrot is green in color and its beak is red in color. Parrot often repeats what it hears. This is a crow. A crow is a commonly found bird in India. It has a black body and a sharp beak. This is a dove. It is white in color. Do you know children? Dove is a symbol of peace. So this is a dove. This is a pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Now children, let's repeat all the birds' name. This is a sparrow. What is this? A sparrow. This is an eagle. This is an eagle. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is a crow. What it is? A crow. This is a dove. What it is? A dove. This is a pigeon. A pigeon. All these birds can fly.